Hi guys, another lockpicking video. This is the YALE Y210C closed shackle /51 padlock. There it is, spring loaded. It is key retaining also. There's the bitting on the key. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin. Pin 1's the highest. Actually I think, yeah, pin 1 is the highest and pin 6 just slightly below that. Got a lower pin on pin 2 and pin 4. Let's give it a go. I've just slightly touched pin 5 and it's already given me quite a considerable turn on the plug there, all set. So just checking my stack. Pin 4 wants to be set. Pin 3. Back to 5. Pin 5 needs setting again. Lost my full set, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to still try and find the next binding pin. Pin 3 there. I've just put my pick in and it just turned slightly, so it must have been a very low set pin there what I've set. Pin 1. Don't feel that is set correctly. There you go. So it's a very default set that. Feels like pin 4. That's my full set. There we go. Cheers guys.